do some photos. Let's go down here. It's the afternoon. Dang, bro. It's so bright out. I'm just gonna go to automatic, guys. So the sun is pointing down, straight down. And try to get some architecture in for you guys. This is cool right here. I like this one. Like this. It's the first time just aiming, waiting for a subject to go through. Just point and shoot, buddy. Waiting for my, I don't know, I might as well just get a GoPro. I was wanting to get just a chest mount for a camera. Still trying to figure it out. Still trying to figure it out. Man, it's hot out here, bro. I like these alleyways, but there's nothing but dumpsters in there. If I had a cool subject who wants to take a picture of a dumpster. Welcome to Tejas, where the sun eats you up. One of the things I find out, if you're just pointing a camera at somebody, they'll just notice you. Just point and shoot, guys. Dude, it's getting hot out here. 100 degrees out here. Just wait right here until I get a subject, which will be forever. Just get one subject. I'm gonna keep going. It's hot out here, bro. Yeah, that's a good one. Dude, being in the pool sounds so good right now. I would do the buildings, but the sun is not directly, it's not where I want it, the light. So I was having lunch right there, and I saw another subject right here. I'll post the picture. But yeah, I thought that was a unique photo. There's a bike right there, bro. Perfect opportunity. I like bikes. Take a picture of that bike. It's a police bike. Dude, I like this house. They don't make houses like this anymore. It's pretty. Okay, do this again. So I'm using a 27mm lens, and I'm gonna go for the middle. I'm gonna point and shoot, I'm point and shoot, point and shoot, point and shoot. That was awesome. That was awesome, guys. I like what he was wearing too. He was like wearing a yellow sweats. And again, I'm just out here taking a walk at one of my favorite places to walk. Go grab your camera, guys, and take some pictures. Oh, I feel like such a beginner though. I can't wait to get my GoPro. Oh, I like this. This is a good shooting spot. I like how the light is right there. Like that. Okay, so I don't know if I want to take a picture of this guy. This guy's interesting. So check out that moped. Let's take a picture right here. I'm just on the sidewalk. I'll run right here. And this is a funeral home, or I don't know, where people have their funerals. It's a cool church right here, but again, the light is not where I want it to be. Here's another. So I'm gonna take a picture of the sky with the flowers right here. And I'm using classic chrome as my film simulation. Film simulations are what makes my life easier. People always want to get a film camera, but you know what's easier and it's cheaper with film simulations. And they're directly in your camera. Built-in film simulations. Let's do this with the black and white filter. There you go. Like this house and where the trees at. Trying to get the color back in. There you go. I don't know. It's just, oh, there's some nice flowers right there. Dude, I have to walk all the way back to my car and I don't have water. It's 100 and something degrees. It has to be more than 100 something. I like the station wagon. And it's gray, so it will look great in the black and white color. They don't make station wagons anymore. It's perfect. I don't know, right now it just seems black and white is the answer. Tells more of a story. I'm gonna take a picture right here, guys. Seems like a nice one right here. It's a bleach bypass. I like this truck. Try to get the framing right. Relations. I am forcing myself to use different film simulations. This is basically my favorite house, and it was on sale. I think they just bought it, someone bought it. But the light's not where I want it to be, but I'm gonna take a picture of it. Booyah! Take a picture of this house because it seems to be where I want it to be. Right here's cool. I'll take a picture right here. It's cool. Dude, that Jeep sounds like an EV. And I'm dying. Can't wait to get to my car. I'll take a picture of these flowers right here. Okay, now I'm using Eterno Cinema. It has more of a color. Try to take a picture right here. Honestly, I think I had more subjects in the downtown area. Dude, I really just want to die right now. There is no shade. That's crazy. I'm dying out here. Well, let's talk camera stuff right now. I'm using the 27mm lens, and everybody's talking about using the 35mm lens. You know what, guys? I like the 27mm lens instead. It's more compact, it's more thin, it just looks better. Prairie dogs just chilling. Oh, I'm going to die. There's no shade in miles, bro. I just want to go in my car and drink water. What are you guys gonna think? Drink alcohol? That's horrible for you. Dude, those are like the only prairie dogs in miles. How are they able to survive out here? I know all they need is grass, but it's whatever, bro. I'm not a biologist. I'm just a photographer. Why am I wearing pants? I don't know. Why are you wearing pants? Guys, if you like my video, you know what to do. Smash that! Smash that like button. Just barely, well, check out that. I'm gonna take a picture of that too. Look, it's pretty. Okay. Like and subscribe. I think I'm getting heat exhaustion. I'm about to have a heat stroke. Like and subscribe. See you guys.